Jai Hind everyone, I am Harshika Saini and today I will be speaking on a military exercise, Exercise Garud. Exercise Garud is a biennial bilateral air exercise between the Indian Air Force and the French Air and Space Force. So first of all let us understand that what does biennial means. Biennial मतलब होता है जो 2 सालों में एक बार हो. And Exercise Garud is one of those exercises which is conducted once in 2 years. And recently, the 8th edition of Exercise Garud has been conducted on 27 November 2025 in France. The exercise is named after Garud, the mythical bird which symbolizes strength, power, and vigilance, all essential qualities which are required in the modern air warfare. The main objective of the main objective of Exercise Garud is to enhance the coordination and the sharing of combat experiences between both the air forces. In today's security environment, joint military exercises plays crucial role in improving the coordination and trust between both the nations, which also increases the preparedness in the mission situations. During exercise, both the air forces carry out complex aerial missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, air refueling, electronic warfare, and suppression of enemy's defense system. Aircraft such as Rafale and Sukhoi 30 MKI from the Indian Air Force and Rafale fighters from France participates in the drill, giving the realistic exposure to the pilots. Another key focus of Exercise Garud is interoperability, which means the ability to work together or to work as a unit during a mission. Pilots and crew members from both the nations learn from each other. They learn the art of communication or each other's tactics of doing work. So, from a strategic perspective, Exercise Garud plays an important role in strengthening the defense relations between India and China. And it reflects the mutual understanding and trust between both the nations, contributing to the global and regional securities, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. In the end, Exercise Garud is not just a simple military drill or an exercise, but it is a platform for building trust, enhancing combat readiness, and improving skills. It highlights the professionalism and global standing of the Indian Air Force and reinforces India's commitment to strong international defense cooperation. Jai Hind, thank you.